Well, it's Tech for Hire. I believe he's going to bore us again with his bullshit.
Hey YouTube, Tech for Hire here. It has been a while. I've been meaning to do some videos, do some moto vlogging, get on the bike, have some fun, but unfortunately that hasn't happened. Obviously, because you haven't seen any videos. Reason being is my moto vlogging setup is not working. I've tried just about everything I can think of to get this piece of crap working. As you know, I had a Hero 3. It was always kind of wonking out, so I bought myself upgraded to a Hero 6. And no microphone that I've found has been adequate so far. I've gone through six microphones to get this thing working, and no bueno. I've tried lanyards like the one I got on right now. I've tried the mini units. I've tried some of the really small ones that come with the Sena unit. It does not integrate with the Sena 20S or any other Sena for that matter. What I think I'm going to have to do, which I didn't want to do, but I may just have to do it, is buy a Hero 4, which works with the Sena piggyback unit, and I'm going to still have to continue to use the Sena piggyback unit for now. You know, I've plugged mics into it. It's just really muffled, and when I turn on this beautiful bobber, you can't hear anything. I mean, you just can't. I talk to myself. I tried doing it through my phone. Nothing works. So, you know, I've had quite a few subscribers subscribe since the last time I did a video. I want to say thank you to you guys. I've been answering questions. Anybody that sends me a message, I try to answer it right away. I'm always online. But once I get this stuff figured out, once I get this worked out, you will see a lot more videos out there. Until then, hang tight, watch my videos, ask me questions. I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. If there's things that you want to know, videos that you want to see, give me some ideas. I'll write those down, and when I start doing videos again, I will make sure that I'm out there doing them. So with that, thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of my channel, and stay tuned because I will have more goodies for you later on.